Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 75th birthday was celebrated in Bhubaneswar on Wednesday with a special cleanliness drive under the Seva Pakhwada campaign. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi led from the front at Master Canteen Square, personally taking up a broom to participate in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The event also saw participation from several ministers, MLAs, BJP's Odisha in charge Vijaypal Singh Tomar and State BJP President Manmohan Samal. Speaking on the occasion, CM Majhi called the day one of joy, recalling last year when PM Modi celebrated his birthday in Odisha by tasting kheer prepared by an Adivasi woman. He also highlighted the Prime Minister's focus on Odisha's development and his commitment to improving the lives of people in the state. Earlier, CM Majhi greeted PM Modi on his X handle, praising his visionary leadership and wishing him good health, long life and continued energy to serve the nation. The cleanliness drive reflects the BJP's emphasis on community service and public participation in celebrating the Prime Minister's milestone birthday.
भारतर यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी आज हूँ 75तम जन्मदिन। केमिति नारी सुस्थ रहिबो एवं नारी समाज सुस्थ रहिबो, परिवार सुस्थ रहिबो ता उपरे कार्यक्रम अछि। स्वच्छता अभियान कार्यक्रम आज दिन तमाम अछि। मु निश्चित भाव में महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ निकट में प्रार्थना करी तांकर निरामय जीवन कामना करने सहित से किभली भाव में आगामी दिन में ये भारत वर्ष को यशस्वी करने ये भारत वर्ष को विश्वगुरु रे परिणत करने से निश्चित भाव में तांकर जो उद्यम लोकंक जारी रहिबो।